Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you. And that bitch, and I thought that they told you.
Hey bougie babies, it's Barbie and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's the bougie way away. Period. Excuse the stuff in the background, okay? But it's the sunset for me. Anyways, today I will be installing Mslynn HAIR. This is their 26-inch deep curly wig. It's so pretty. This is like a diamond scalp wig. So basically you can only like really do like a middle part with this wig. I think so, yeah. You can only really do like a middle part with this wig. So if you like bust downs like me, this is the wig for you. And then the part looks really, really good. You don't even have to do much to it because it's already like the diamond fake scalp wig, right? Anyways, so if you love this wig, make sure you check out the links in my description and go purchase. Also save some money with the discount codes below. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Enjoy. So first step is to put the powder foundation on the lace. That's what I'm doing here. After that, I'm going to put the wig on my head and adjust it. Then I'm going to be pinning the hair back so I can start laying the lace down. So what I lay my lace with, as y'all should already know, is my Bougie Barbie hair gel, and it got to be free spray. So I just, put the product in the front of the hairline, and then I blow dry it until it is tacky. And then I place the lace on top of the product, and I just blow dry it and press the lace and the hair into the product until it is completely dry. Once it's completely dry, I go in and cut the lace. So I basically just start cutting it in the middle, and then I do side and then the other side, and I just cut in a zigzag motion following the hairline. Okay, now that the lace is cut, I still have pieces of lace sticking up, so I'm just going to go in with my free spray and my blow dryer and just blow dry it until it is dry. And when you are like blow drying it, it's good to press the lace down. You don't really want to use your finger. I always use the tip of my nail. You don't want to use like your actual finger because then that'll make it like really white. So just use like the tip of something, like a rat tail comb, or I use my scissors or my tweezers or something like that. Now I'm just going to take some alcohol and clean the white residue from my hairline, which is from the free spray. Now that the hard part is done, I'm just going to be parting my hair right here, and I'll be taking my hot comb to basically lay the part down, my hot comb and my wax stick, and then I'm going to go in and be plucking the part next. Once I get done plucking the part, I'm going to take my powder foundation and put it on the part so that way it'll look a little bit more natural. Then I'm just going in and combing out what I plucked. And y'all, I love when my hair is like big like this. Like I love big dry hair. Like it's just so pretty and it looks so natural. Like I just love it. But I'm going to be adding like foam at the end, you know, to give it that wet look per usual. So I'll be using this Nairobi foaming lotion for my curls. Once I get done with this step, that's basically, you know, the end of the video. That was a quick install, you feel me? If you like this wig, make sure you check out the description, you guys, so you can go ahead and go purchase. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll give y'all some looks at the end, and that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed. I talk so fast. I'm funny. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, bougie babes.